Hello my lovely YouTube followers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform a rather dull and boring static YouTube end screen like mine was a short time ago into a wonderfully engaging animated end screen like this. Once I've walked you through step by step how to create an animated YouTube end screen, we're going to pop over to YouTube and I'll show you exactly how to add your YouTube end screen elements. All you'll need to do this tutorial is a Canva account, a 20-second video snippet, and your usual video editing tool. I'll also be sharing a link to a free Canva template to help you out, so make sure you keep watching. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Start off with your blank Canva template. You can see the frame here, which is your safe area, and inside of this safe area will go all the necessary elements that you want to include in your end screen. This will be where you will add a link to a video or a playlist, and this will be your end screen subscribe link once uploaded to YouTube. Next, I want to add a frame into which my video snippet will go. So head over to the sidebar and select Elements. Go down to Grids and click on this single grid here. Now just drag the side button here to reduce it in size so that it covers about half of your template, like that. Now I need to upload my video snippet into Canva. So to do that, you go to the sidebar again and click on Uploads, and then click on this turquoise button here to upload an image or video. Once uploaded, you'll find your video snippet under the Videos tab. And there it is. So all you need to do to upload it onto your template is to hold your cursor down and literally drag it into the frame. If you want to reposition your video slightly, double click on it and you'll see that you can move it from side to side. I think that's about right. I'm just going to increase the width of the video ever so slightly. Next, what I want to do is change the colour of this background. So I'm going to click on it once, head over to the top left-hand corner of my toolbar, click Background Colour, and I'm going to change it to my brand pink colour, light pink. I think I'm going to make that ever so slightly lighter. That's better. Next, what I did was I moved the subscription link to the left-hand side because I wanted to add some text underneath here. I wanted to let my viewers know where to find me on Instagram, and I also added the name of my business, also the name of a playlist that I'm going to insert right here after I've uploaded this to YouTube. It will all make an awful lot of sense to you in just a moment. To finish up, I added some little decorations here on the corners. The final things you need to do before downloading your template is to make sure that your little video snippet is no more than 20 seconds, since 20 seconds is the duration of a YouTube end screen. So if you click once on your video and head up to the toolbar here, you'll see a pair of scissors, the duration of your video right next to it. So my video is actually 24 seconds long. So that's 4 seconds too long, really. So what I need to do is I click on it once and you'll see all the frames of my video brought up in one long line here. Now you can see that there are two end bars, if you like, one here at the beginning and one here at the end of the video. I'm going to crop my video in duration to 20 seconds by going to the end bar and holding it down with my cursor. It's a double-ended cursor, as you can see, and dragging it until my video is 20 seconds in duration. So you can see 20 seconds. Once you're done, all you need to do to crop it finally is to click on Done. And you can see here that my video is now 20 seconds in duration. So before you download your template, make sure that you remove the guidelines. So you want to remove the frame, you want to remove the subscription link and the playlist frame. And then all that's left to do is to download your template as an MP4 video. Next, I'm going to upload my end screen video to my video editing tool. I use Filmora, but you can use whichever one that you're used to using. Once uploaded, you want to drag this end screen template to the end of your video, like that. And once you're happy with that, all you need to do is download your video. Perfect! Now I'm going to take you over to YouTube, where I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to set up our end screen elements. So here we are in YouTube, and I'm about to add my end screen. So I click on Add, and there is our beautiful end screen here. Now, as you can see, you can add a variety of elements to your end screen. But what I want to do today is add one playlist and one subscribe. So I click on the plus button, and here you'll see the subscribe link is here. It's outlined in blue, so it's this one here. And the playlist is outlined in red, and you can see it below just here. Now, they don't have to start at the same time. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the subscribe link a little bit further down. So I start off with my playlist. Now, you'll remember in Canva we added some text to highlight the wedding day makeup playlist. So I'm going to hover my cursor over the playlist link. I'm going to hold the cursor down, and I'm going to move it into place so that it just sits underneath that text. And then all you need to do to add a link to the playlist is go to the left-hand side of your screen here and click on this little pencil. I can't actually do it because I'm using my own YouTube channel, so I don't actually have a wedding day makeup playlist, but you'll know exactly what to do once you click on this pencil link here to edit. Now I'm going to scroll through my end screen a little bit further until I see the subscribe link. And this is actually in a perfect place already, because if I move it over here, you'll see that it overlaps the playlist. You have this red box here, which means that it's overlapping. And so what I'm going to do is drag it out of the way and pop it just there. So I'm just going to scroll back to the start of my end screen here and click on the play button here, just to make sure that all the elements are in place. And I think you've got to agree with me, this is a really, really attractive way to create a YouTube end screen. Of course, you don't have to use the exact same layout as I've done. You can experiment and see what works best for you. And you don't actually need to upload a video snippet either. You can animate a YouTube end screen by using a static background image and then using some of Canva's animated stickers. This is a little bit more tricky, but if you'd like me to create a tutorial for you to show you how to do this, give me a yes in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this tutorial with your friends, and I will see you next time.